Let's continue talking about bootstrapping. If you've just started your business and sales are low, that means profit is low. In this module, you'll learn the second tactic that many entrepreneurs are not aware of at this phase. Tactic number 2 is to use what you have to its maximum ability. This translates into being resourceful. This tactic will save you hundreds and thousands of dollars in the long run. And trust me on this when I say it's worth the effort. Before starting my own business and managing a 7-figure company, I got my business experience from working in the largest fast-moving consumer goods company in the world. The company is now worth billions of dollars and has an annual target of one key business unit in the company of over 150 million US. Yes, it's big. Yes, it's huge, and the numbers are glorious, but I saw its Achilles heel. Its massive size was becoming its bane. There were too many processes. Staff turnover was high, and innovation was low. Our numbers were high, but actually we couldn't sustain it. Targets got higher, the market got more competitive, and the stress level of the company was getting more and more toxic. At some point, everyone was clouded with internal bottlenecks and putting out fires within internal departments. Smaller and newer competitors that came into the market were launching products faster than we could react or even innovate. And by the time we got the first campaign rolling to respond to our competitors' product launches, they had already launched product number 2. What was the difference? How could they launch at such speed? When we analyzed the situation, what I discovered was that because they were smaller, they could move and mobilize more quickly. They were being resourceful with what little they had, while we were dragging our feet. Don't make our mistake.